Hi friends, and welcome back into my little garden. I know I just did a garden harvest video like yesterday, but today is a momentous occasion because I just harvested the first tomato of the season. Oh, it's so cute. This came off of the Roma that I got at the nursery, and all of my nursery tomatoes are just so tiny and stunted, and I think I killed them. So the fact that I got a tomato off this at all is surprising. I'm probably gonna rip it out and plant something else there because they're just so tiny and I think not doing well. So here's another tomato. I think this is the Celebrity, which is blushing, and I'll probably pick it, probably a little underripe, just so it doesn't go to waste while we are on our road trip. But I wanted to share one more little tomato. This is probably gonna get picked also before we leave. I'm just trying to give it as much time on the vine as possible. The first tomatoes of the season are just so special, so exciting. So I'm kind of sad I'll be out of town for the next few days because the garden is really starting to produce. This big old cucumber was hidden in one of the cucumber plants, and I got my very first sunburst squash. I probably would have given this, you know, another day or two, but I want to cook it up before we leave. So I got my first tomato, my first squash. So exciting. My first little pepper. This is from the garden salsa plant, and it is so good. I've just been snacking on it. It's got a little bit of spice, and it's delicious. I'm getting to the seeds, and it's getting spicy, but it's so good. I think I'm gonna cut one more and try and do like a stir fry with all this. I got a little sprig, oh, spicy, of basil for my tomato. Oh, so cute. But I think I'm gonna get one more little pepper here. So cute. Love it. So exciting. I really don't know if I should get this bell pepper. I think I'm going to, because this soft spot, I don't know, it's getting bigger. I was waiting for the pepper to kind of take shape, but I don't know about the soft spot. I should just grab it and cook it. You ladies got anything for me? You've been laying me some eggs. Pretty birds. Pretty birds. Hi, babies. Hi. Where's my little bird? Me go. Baby. Little hawk. Hi, babies. Hi, fluffy foot. Hey, don't do it. I see you. Sandals in the chicken coop is not a good idea. Oh, we got one. We got one. Thank you. You guys can't have it. Haven't been harvesting chamomile as often, but I just saw Roots and Refuge chamomile video, so I might as well grab all these. Ooh, look at all that. Seeds and pollen everywhere. Hopefully it reseeds and just continues to forever grow in the garden. It's so beautiful and prolific. I'm gonna pinch all these guys off. My little backyard grocery store. I also wanted to share plum harvest that I did like last week or so. I made some plum barbecue sauce, which is delicious, on some fresh grilled chicken. And right now I just finished off pretty much the rest of the plums in the crock pot for like the last 20 hours, at least overnight for sure. But it's just simmering and reducing. Oh my god, it smells so good. I'm kind of keeping it cracked so that the moisture can escape and the plum butter can reduce. But this has just been, whew, smells so good, like plums and cinnamon. And I wanted to share one more little space because this has been my overflow garden in the front yard. I tried to do a bunch of herbs, but everything died. So now we've just got this corn volunteer, some sort of grain. Maybe you guys can help me out on what it is. But looks like corn. A little tomato volunteer. And then I just threw in a bunch of squash. I'm not sure if I did watermelon or pumpkins. We're gonna find out. Sunflowers and beans. So I tried to do like a little Three Sisters planting method up here. So we'll see what pops up other than this volunteer grain. Yeah, this is just my overflow, my next little gardening area. I'm excited to see how it progresses. It's already hot outside. Oh, it smells good in here. It's freaking hot outside, and that spicy pepper has got me sweating. This is some cucumber and mint water that has just been like soaking in the fridge, chilling in the fridge for the last day or two, out of a cucumber that got a little too big and tough and kind of yellow in the garden, with a bunch of mint. And it's delicious. So good, nice and refreshing, especially after you eat a hot pepper. So not too shabby of a little harvest this morning in my little backyard grocery store. I'm gonna dry the chamomile for tea, letting the plums process in the crock pot, and then I'll probably stir fry all of this, not the egg. I'll probably just eat this like straight up with some salt and pepper. I'm so excited. The first tomato of the season is like monumental. I've got one more that's close, and then cherry tomatoes, and then after that all of the rest of my tomato plants are really behind, so it might be a while. So I'm excited, and I'm gonna enjoy that tomato fully. Fresh basil, fresh tomato. So happy. It's like officially summer. Today's July 1st, and I got my first tomato. Ah, it's perfect. Oh my god, it's just like summer in a bite. So happy. I polished up all of the plums. They look so cute when they're all shiny. And I've just been eating a lot of them just raw, fresh. Hopefully tonight my boyfriend will grill up some chicken and we can slather it in that plum barbecue sauce. But I think I'm going to make a batch of sangria to take with me to my girlfriend's house tomorrow and add some plums and some oranges. Yum. Let them soak in this wine overnight. I'm gonna bring this to my friend's house tomorrow. Top it with a little bit of like 7-Up or club soda and just day drink while we bake. I also wanted to share this like plum ice cream sorbet that ooh, that looks delicious, whipped together since it's so ridiculously hot this week. It's just plums and milk and sugar. It's a good snack throughout the day. It just like thaws out. Oh my goodness. Going out with plum butter. The plum butter has been canned and it's cooled. I heard the little ping So hopefully I did it right. Still new to canning and cooking and gardening, but it felt really good to be able to use all of the plums off of our tree this year. Last year, this is like probably how many plums we got for the whole harvest. So this year, getting a nice good amount and able to do a bunch of fun recipes has just been really rewarding. So I am excited to put these up in our pantry now. I enjoy hanging out in these videos with you guys, so thank you so much for watching. Thanks for joining me in the garden today. I will see you in the next video, and until next time, guys, stay creative.